Nice. Rangrangam man, mother. Rangrangam. Hindi naman. Jelana, why her skirt? Can you fix her skirt, anak?
I know.
Maybe grandma can play with you. You want grandma fix your baby doll? Hello, Mikay, Chai, Anita, Lisa. Hello.
And then hold like this.
Oh, hold like this. Oh.
I do this.
Oh, I know now. It need to be like this. Mother ka man ni. Ikaw man ni. Dito ka ni gilid. Ni, kailangan. Oh, wait. Grandma is gonna help you. Ni. Hawakan mo. Oh, and then, ito may bag. That's grandma, the baby. Have grandma fix the...
Oh my gosh.
There you go. There's grandma. Nini. Boy, tayo mo. Where's grandma's dog? Andito yung mga dog. Andito yung mga doggy mo. Marami kang doggy dito. Maraming doggy. Hindi na makahinga yung mga dog mo dyan eh. No. Eh. Oh.
Oh, do you know how to do it? Like this? Like that?
Anong gagawin?
Itapon na yung mga... Lagay mo sa buhok niyan eh. Sayang naman yung mga maliliit na bag. Kung matatapon lang. Oh, isn't it doggy like this? They have to be what? That? Like that? No, that? Okay, be careful on the road. Jelana pong maayos man, anak. Okay. Kain ka na? Did you ask grandma? Say, kain ka na. Kain ka na? Ito ni Box. Oh, wow. That's perfect. Okay, let me see. Bye. Bye.
Mom.
Oh, let grandma hold the other Barbie doll.
Oh, the daddies. Thank you.
Oh. Grandma can... sakit. Hindi pa ako makabangon. Oh! Ay, buti naman inrang-rang mo ata. Oh, let me see. Do you want to be done now? Okay, just continue until you're done. Oh, there you go. You line up your dogs. Saan kayo naglinis lang sa...
Diyan lang.
Hmm.